Alright guys, what we're gonna have today guys, B400 V6 guys. We're trying to replace starter. See the starter right there? Right there, it's already loose guys. We're gonna unbolt the connection. Alright, bear with me guys, let's do it. Starter's out. It's time to buy a replacement one. Jarang, 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 nan, 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 nan. B400 Mazda guys. Starter replacement 101. Pretty basic guys. It's not working. Alright guys, when you got the replacement one, always compare side by side. You know why? Do not remove this lid guys. Crimp and heat shrink. Why? Because this is the recommended. Always compare. The old one, look, it's loose. Look, why it's not working? It's loose, it's loose. See that one there? It's loose. Always. This one is a solid. Always crimp. This thing here, insert the wire and then crimp. I have the crimper guys. Alright, let's do the installation guys. What you think? Let's slide inside. Right there. Inside starter. Let's clean a little bit. And then we're good to go. Alright. Let's do it. That's the B6 guys. Update guys. Look, starter is done. It's running now. Okay, B400. It's running good. Now it's charging the battery. I already changed the battery terminal too. I changed it because this thing here, even you tighten, it's already all the way down right there. That's why it's only clicking. Alright guys, another project.